Want professional level shine on your car, boat, or furniture? Check out this universal car polish pad set, a versatile kit that fits most polishers and drills. The set includes soft wool pads in multiple colors for different stages, cutting, polishing, and finishing. They attach easily to M10 or M14 thread machines, electric drills, or polishers. Use them to remove scratches, apply wax, or bring back gloss on paint, glass, ceramic, and even wood. They're gentle enough to avoid swirl marks but effective enough for serious detailing. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, this affordable kit gives you everything you need to achieve a showroom shine at home. Ready to polish like a pro? Check the link in the description below to choose your size and buy this polishing pad set now. Thanks for watching, and shine on!